Flag ship owner 413. A lot of ship owners contact that they have this issue because they are limited endorsements in countries accepted by this flag. Then that flag even has less countries that they endorse certificates of officers from. Now we have a huge problem. This dark fleet, this Russian, Ukrainian short supply, we have a huge problem of flights going up further and further away, the officers from. But did we think about changing the flag of your ship? Because if we read the news, everybody is talking about everything, the shortage of officers, how we are going to have a huge fight for talent, but there's no one talking about what are the flags, what countries are the flags, when are these flags. No one talks about flags, but everybody talks about the problem of the wages and the supply and these limitations of wars, of flights, then are we going to talk about what flag is more interesting for you, the ship owner? Well, think about Panama, Bahama, Bermudas, Liberia, Marshall. Those flags really are very open to most of the countries, and if we are going to supply officers on board your good ships, dear ship owner, then we must think very serious about the flag, very, very serious about the flag decision, because if there's no need of having this limitation of flag, why not move towards one that really has a wide nationalities of officers, which we need today and tomorrow even more. If that is your way of thinking, contact me, because I can really make very good tender proposals for 2025, and that is a huge competitive advantage if we both change and adapt fast. Thank you, bye.